Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install Google Play Store on your Amazon Fire tablet. So as you know, on Amazon's tablets, they don't come with Google Play Store, they come with the Amazon App Store, and on the App Store there's a limited amount of apps that you can download. So what we want to do is sideload Google Play Store. So this tutorial will show you how to easily set this up. So what you want to do first is go into your settings, go to your security and privacy, and then select the apps from unknown sources. Toggle that on. So that what that will do is allow you to install applications from outside the App Store. So what you want to do now is go into my channel, and if you go to this video that I'm creating, I'll put the links in. So you want to go, for now what I'm going to do is come in here, and then you've got these 4 apps. You want to download them in order. So what you want to do is download the Google Apps Account Manager, Google Services Framework, Google Play Store Services, and Google Play Store. So go through the first one. You'll have this link. So what you want to do is go to download APK. Press that, and then you go down. Download is starting. Give it a few seconds, and then you get this pop up. Press OK. It's downloading it. Download complete. Go at the notification, press next. Next, install. So that is now downloading the Google Account Manager. That's done. Don't need to open it up. And then we do go back to this description. Press on the second one. Do the same again. Download this. So exactly the same. Download APK. Download APK. It's downloading now. Same thing again, press OK, open, next, install, done. Go back again, download the third one. That's the process done. So what I'm going to do is now restart it. So I've restarted the tablet, and you can see Play Store here now, so I'm going to select that, and we'll see what happens. So it's going to check the latest info, it's checking the application, see if it's the latest one. Give you a few moments, and it's going to tell you to log in, so I'm just going to log in now. So I've got my details done, and then what I'm going to do now is select all the settings, that should now let me in. So I'm in here now. So now what's going to happen is, because this Play Store is outdated, you might get that Play Store updated, and also the Google Framework services might be outdated, so you might get a update coming through as well. But that's the process. So if you look through the apps, you might see some other updates. Yep, you can see Amazon updates. You can get those updated, and then yeah, you can go ahead and download all the apps that you want, such as YouTube. So that's there. When you go to the Amazon App Store, you get a fake version of YouTube. You can download Chrome, because that's not installed, because that's part of Google's applications. You can download games as well, such as PUBG. If you play that, I'm not sure if you can download that from Amazon Store, but you've got that. So there you have it. It's installing all the other stuff at the background, and there you have it. That's how you get Google Play Store. If you have any comments, write them down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.